Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use washer. So this is the washer right here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this washer. I'll first start by opening this washer right here. Yes, I'm about to do laundry, guys. Should I say happy laundry day? So today is laundry day for me. I'm gonna be doing laundry. So I just thought it wise to share with you guys how to use this washer, okay? Okay. Let me open it first. This is the inside of the washer. This is how the washer look like. Yes. This is how the washer look like. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be putting my laundry in this washer and then start it for you guys, okay? So for here, I have the power button right over there, and I'm gonna be choosing which one to use, but I usually use like normal right over there. So let me put the clothes in the washer and show you guys how to do this. After putting my clothes in the washer, this is how it look like. So I'm gonna be using a soap, just 1 cup of this right here. This is the soap I'm gonna be using. So for the best results of the best soap to use in this washing machine, I would recommend the liquid. Yes, I would recommend the liquid soap because it's just gonna be easy. But I don't like to use a liquid because some of it have color and a color leaf on the clothes. So I'm just gonna be using 1 cup of this right here. And put the cup back in the soap. It's just a measuring cup. I'm just using 1 cup. And then I'm gonna close this right here. I come here, just check. They have we come to the power button right here. Okay. I hope my hand. Yeah, my hand's blocking everything. So they have the power button right here. We're just gonna be pressing the power button right here. Okay. Press the power button. It's on right here. So you're gonna be choosing how many minutes you wanna use this for. Yep, how many minutes. So 66 minutes is just too much for me. So I'm gonna be turning this like this to reduce the minute. I'm gonna to normal. Normal is 55 right here. I will take normal 55 minutes, but you have option to choose whatever you want to choose. So I'm just going to start for the sake of the video right here. 25, 16, 37, 38, 66, 44, 55. So you can choose just whatever you want to choose, but I usually put my stuff on medium. This is heavy duty right here. 73 is heavy, and the white is 79. White 79. Heavy duty is 73. The other one is 55. The normal is 55. So for the 4, you just keep going, and then you can just choose whatever you want to choose. But as for me, I'm going to normal right here, 55. Yes, so when you choose 55, and the next thing you're going to do is press the start button right here. I'm going to be pressing the start button. When you start the button, then it's going to start working. So this is how I do my washer. I mean, this is how I use washer at home, and now it's working now, as you can hear the sound. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use dryer. Stay tuned. And this is the dryer. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use dryer in the next video, so you can come back to watch more of this video. Stay tuned, okay? So if you're just joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay guys? So as I told you guys, today is laundry day for me. I'm just doing my laundry. This is my best soap. So if you want to know the best soap for your washing machine, you can just keep trying until you get what best for you. As for me, I love to use the liquid soap, but it have color most of the time. The color leave on my clothes. So because of that, I don't use it. I just use this one right here. With this one, it's easy, it's good, and there's no color. And it's a powder soap though. It have a powder, yeah. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah, and have measuring spoon in there. So guys, stay tuned now. The clothes is washing in the machine, and you're gonna ask me, how do you know if it's ready? If it's ready, all this number gonna erase and turn to 0. When you see 0 on it, then you're gonna know it's ready. Thank you so much. If you're just joining for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back to watch more of this video. If you found the video helpful, please share, invite other people to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you so much. So yeah, I'm not lazy though, but I'm like I don't like to go out. So when I stay home, I do most of my stuff home, like doing my laundry at home. Yeah, it's safe for me. Yeah, it saves most of my time and energy. So for now, this machine is locked. So like this, it's not going to open. But if you want to, just in case of emergency, you want to open this machine, you're just going to turn the power off before you open this machine. So let's say, for example, I forgot something and I don't want to wash it alone. So I'm just going to press this power button right here to press stop, and it's all stop right here. Then you're going to put whatever you want to put in there and restart it. So that's the process. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video about how to use dryer, okay, or how to dry clothes in a drying machine. Thank you. Love you.